What leads to screen addiction? Addiction, be it in any format or to any substance, can be viewed as a biochemical consequence where the body craves having the reward center of its brain constantly stimulated. Pursuit of pleasurable activities results in the release of dopamine, one of the three major feel-good hormones, the other two being endorphins and serotonin. Just as how the body responds with a burst of energy upon the consumption of caffeinated beverage, the mind experiences a sense of euphoria. That's the result of a dopamine rush. The problem? The body becomes desensitized to this feeling over time, par for the course with all forms of stimuli. As a result, it seeks similar experiences of a higher intensity to make up for it. This is essentially how screen addiction is developed within individuals. Digital devices now occupy a significant area within our personal space, and technology has integrated itself into multiple facets of our lives. From the essentials like food to luxuries such as home movies, practically all forms of consumer level technology are geared